You said as well that in your view to Dave McCulloch that there's no other profession that has more conflicts of interest than in media.
Yeah.
In terms of corporate freebies. Like that's essentially what we're talking about today.
Well, no,
conflicts of interest.
It's a lot more than
can you
corporate
expand?
freebies.
Can you a lot more? Can you expand on it?
Very quickly.
Sorry,
Can you expand on
put
it?
it like this? I was making the point that I felt there was double standards. One standard being applied to me, another. The truth of it is, the media is very poorly paid. And I heard Deputy Gibney referring to this earlier today. And the truth of it is, some people have more income from other sources outside of their media income. And in terms of the press, it's never revealed. In terms of economists, it's never revealed. And that is the poverty of the fact. Now, RT got 725 million. Most media organisations are near broke. That's the truth.
Senator Cumming.
Thanks for coming in, Ivan. It's a long time since we met. I think at the time we shared a co-host, or a screen husband, as they were quite often known. And I suppose in many ways, if there's a fence down the centre of politics and journalism, well then you've jumped one way and I have jumped the other. More on that in a moment. Jumping straight in though, do you have any regrets in not informing your co-host, Matt Cooper, at the time, that you had a dual role, particularly within the media training of a presidential candidate and also being an impartial commentator?
So I reflected on that and on the particular morning where this blew up on a Saturday morning, I said to Matt, I deliberately didn't tell you because I didn't want you to be in any way conflicted. In other words, he could say, oh, I never knew any of this and it was a statement of fact. If I had said, confidentially, Matt, this is something I do, it would have put him in a very invidious position. So I didn't put NKM or him in that situation, and I felt that was fairer to them. I took it upon myself, I took full responsibility for myself, and I took those decisions knowingly and in real time.